Yes! Yeah, about time. Look at that, finally. Dude, it's gonna take the tower. Oh no! Watch out for the lines with the RC. And your tripod. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Get ready. We're fine, dude. No, I mean get ready to go that way. Hey, you got another SD card? No. Power pole's down in the street. Here comes the power lines. Dude! Sorry. I didn't know you were out of the car. Alright. Hey. We gotta get going, guys. It's going to cross the road right here in front of us. We don't want these power lines here. I know.
Down on top of us, because we're going to get inundated again.
All right, go around them. Go around them. Go around them.
No.
Yeah, go.
We're watching it cross the road.
I know we are.
Oh man, it just barely passed it. Oh, look at those vortices.
I know. Watch out, car stopping.
I see it.
Go around them. Another car stopped. Go. Left. Look at them vortices. I don't think it took the power lines down. I didn't see a power flash. Let's go. Cross, let's go.
We're about to get some RFD wrap around here.
I know, that's why we need to get going. Look at those vortices. Sorry, I didn't mean to swear. Are you?
Yeah. Don't kill my business.
I was trying to get it in the picture for you.
If we go. Block the road, fire truck. Alright, when should we go east again?
Just keep heading north for now.
We may get a lot of looky-loo traffic. was just saying, you know, it looks like it's kind of wrapping around the backside there a little bit.
Is that guy gonna stop?
First one there stops. All right, we're going east.
Okay.
Because they're blocking the road. And it's less than a mile there. I gotta go to ISO 800.
I'm at 640.
Oh wow! Shoot!
Yeah, that's easy. Can you give me a wipe, please?
Certainly. Put them on autopilot. Oh wow, that thing is so big.
You got more? Oh, it's coming up. Wow, look at that.
I gotta stop it here. Oh, look at the base of it. Oh my gosh. I gotta get my window up. Yeah. Right around preset.
Are we gonna... Let's get a little bit further north. Let's get around this guy. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, 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 honk. Thank you, guy. Dude. I am gonna... What?
Tell me before you do that. Let's keep going east. Let's keep going east. I don't know. You want to keep going east? We can get better contrast. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.